Hey beautiful souls! Feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind? Wish you had a dedicated corner for self-care and mindfulness? Well, fret no more. Today we're building our very own wellness altars, sacred spaces to nurture our mental, physical and emotional well-being. Think of it as a DIY Zen zone, a mini-oasis amidst the chaos. Feeling a tad overwhelmed by the daily grind? Yearning for a sacred corner dedicated to self-care and mindfulness? Today, the spotlight shines on the creation of personal wellness altars, sanctuaries designed to nurture mental, physical, and emotional health. Picture this as a DIY Zen zone, a mini haven amidst the hustle and bustle. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our updates. So what's a wellness altar? Fear not, it bears no ties to religion or dogma but harbors intention. It is a dedicated space that visually embodies commitment to well-being. Simplicity is key here. It could be a shelf, a desk nook, or a repurposed crate. Now, in 5 easy steps, journey into DIY bliss. Step 1. Find your space. Seek out a serene, clutter-free corner that resonates with you. Bonus points for natural light. Step 2. Pick your palette. Display your personality. Opt for calming hues like blues and greens, or earthy tones for grounding vibes. Step 3. Gather your treasures. This is where the enchantment unfurls. Populate your altar with objects that inspire. Crystals for energy, photos of loved ones, meaningful quotes, a cozy throw blanket, a favorite essential oil diffuser, anything that ignites joy and mirrors your wellness journey. Step 4. Light it up. Candles and fairy lights infuse magic and ambience. Besides, flickering flames naturally soothe the senses. Step 5. Personalize it. This is your sanctuary, so don't hesitate to get creative. Incorporate fresh flowers, seashells from a memorable trip, inspirational books, or even a gratitude jar. Always bear in mind there are no rules, only vibes. Your altar mirrors your evolving inner landscape. Feel free to swap items, add new treasures, and let it transform into a dynamic space for your well-being to thrive. Pro tip: consecrate a mini ritual to your altar. Light a candle, engage in mindful breathing, or simply dedicate a few minutes each day to appreciating your sacred space. And there you have it, your very own sanctuary of peace and self-love, crafted in just 5 minutes. So breathe deep, soak in the good vibes, and allow your personal wellness altar to steer you towards a happier, healthier version of you. Don't forget to share your beautiful creations in the comments below and spread the Zen.